students, now I'm going to start question number 7 of exercise 6.1. Now question number 7 says write all the integers between the given pairs. So here we have the pairs and we will have to write the numbers in between of the two numbers. So and we will have to write the number in increasing order, means small to big. Now if you see the number line, 0 lies here and right side of 0 is all positive numbers and left side of 0 is all negative numbers. Now we have -7. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6 and -7. And right side of 0 is all positive. So 1, 2, 3 and so on. Now we will have to write the numbers in between of 0 and -7. That means we cannot write -7 and 0. Okay. So we will have to write the numbers in between. And since we will have to start from the smallest number, because it is given that we will have to write the numbers in increasing order, means small to big. Now we can see that since -6 is left of all the numbers, so -6 is the smallest number, because when you go towards right, numbers get increased, and when you go towards left, numbers get decreased. Okay, so -6 is the smallest one among this. So we'll start with -6. So -6, -5, -4, -3, -2, -1. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have -4 and +4, and we will have to write the integers in between. Now what are the numbers comes in between 4 and -4? If you see the number line, say 0 is here, so 1, 2, 3, 4, -1, -2, -3, -4. So here is -4 and here is +4. So we will have to write in between. And we will have to start with -3, because -3 is left of all the numbers. So -3 is the smallest number. So we will have to start from -3. So the numbers comes in between -4 and +4 is -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have -8 and -15. So both are negative integers. So that means this will lie to the left of 0. Now left of 0 is -1, -2 this way. Suppose -8 is here. So after -8, then -9, -10, -11, -12, -13, -14, -15. Okay. Now we have to write the numbers between -8 and -15. So we cannot write these two. We will have to just write the numbers in between. Okay. And since -14 is the left of all the numbers, so -14 is the smallest one. So we will have to start from -14. So it's -14, -13, -12, -11, -10, -9. Okay, so these are the numbers comes in between -8 and -15. Now coming to last part. Now in the last part we have -30 and -23. Okay, so both are negative integers. So suppose 0 is here and right side of 0 is all positive and left side of 0 is all negative. Now after 0, -1 this way. Suppose -23 comes. Okay, I have not written all the numbers because we have to write the numbers in between -23 and 30. So it's not possible to write all 30 negative numbers. So that's why I have given dot here. So up -1, then -2, -3, this way -23 comes. After -3, then -24, then -25, then -26, -27, -28, -29, then -30. Okay, and here we will have to write the numbers in between -30 and -23. That means we cannot write this one. We will have to write the numbers in between. And see, -29 is the smallest because -29 is the left of all the numbers. So actually when you go towards right, numbers is getting bigger, and when you go towards left, numbers is getting smaller. So when you go towards right, the number is getting bigger. So minus 29, minus 28 if you write, then that means you are writing in increasing order. So we will have to start from minus 29, then minus 28, minus 27, minus 26, minus 25 and minus 24. Okay, so these numbers, all negative numbers comes in between minus 30 and minus 23. Okay, so this was all about question number 7. Now coming to next question. Now question number 8 says, write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20. Now if you see the number line, suppose 0 lies over here, because right side of 0 is all positive and left side of 0 is negative, and minus 20 lies somewhere on here. Okay, on this number line. Now we have to write the integers greater than minus 20. Greater means we will move to the right, because when you move to the left, numbers are getting decreased. So after minus 20 is minus 21, minus 22 like this. And if you write like minus 21, minus 22, see here, when you compare with minus 20, this seems bigger. And in case of negative numbers, we know that if the number seems bigger, actually that is the smaller number. So that means when you go towards left, you will get the smaller number. So that means when greater is mentioned here, we will have to move to the right. And that means if you move to the right, what are the numbers comes before minus 20? It's minus 19, then minus 18, minus 17, minus 16, minus 15 like this. So since we have to write 4 negative integers greater than minus 20, so it's minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. So always remember, when greater will be mentioned, we will have to move to the right. And we know that if any number which is left of any number on the number line, actually that is smaller. Like if when you compare with these two, minus 19 is right of minus 20, that's why minus 19 is greater. 4 negative integers greater than minus 20 is minus 19, minus 18, minus 17 and minus 16. Okay, now coming to next part. Now in the next part we have write 4 negative integers less than minus 10. Okay, so here less is mentioned. That means if you see the number line, suppose 0 is here, so left side is of 0 is all negative. Okay, and we will have to write the numbers less than minus 10. Suppose here is minus 10 on the number line. Now less means we will have to move towards left, because when you move towards left, numbers are getting decreased, right? So that means minus 10, after this minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. These are the numbers less than minus 10. When you move towards right, then the numbers will get increased, right? Now see, when you compare this, minus 11 lies left of minus 10. So the number which is left of any number is actually smaller. So here all these numbers are smaller than minus 10, because these numbers are left of minus 10. Okay, so the numbers which are less than minus 10 are minus 11, minus 12, minus 13, minus 14. Okay, so this was all about question number 8. Thank you, students.